If your cough just won't quit, but you're not sick, your allergies might be the real culprit. An allergy cough is usually dry, lingers for weeks, and shows up with sneezing, runny nose, and that annoying, itchy throat. Let's talk about home remedies with real potential, backed science. Remedy 1. Honey, 1 tablespoon, 2 to 3 times a day, or mixed into warm water with lemons. It coats your throat, calms irritation, and has antibacterial powers too. But never give honey to kids under 1. Remedy 2. Steam inhalation. It's a quick way to loosen mucus and moisturize airways, offering temporary but fast relief. Boil water, pour it into a bowl, lean over with a towel, and breathe in the moisture for 10-15 minutes. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil for extra relief. Remedy 3. Saline Nasal Rinse. It flushes out allergens and mucus from your nose, stopping the postnasal drip that triggers your cough. Mix 1 teaspoon non-iodized salt, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup boiled and cooled or distilled water. Fill a neti pot or squeeze bottle, tilt your head sideways over the sink, insert spout into upper nostril, breathe through your mouth, pour gently, solution flows out the other nostril. Blow your nose, repeat on the other side. Remedy 4. Thyme tea. It fights inflammation and clears mucus. Steep 2 teaspoon dried thyme in 1 cup boiling water for 10 mins. Drink up to 3 times a day. Avoid if pregnant or have heart issues. Remedy 5. Peppermint tea. Menthol soothes cough and opens airways. Steep 6 chopped leaves in 150 N1OR boiling water for 5 to 7 mins. Drink 3 to 4 times a day. Skip if you have reflux or asthma. Remedy 6. Nettle tea. Natural antihistamine, calms allergy coughs. Boil 1 tablespoon dried nettle in 200 ml water for 5 mins. Strain. Drink 2 times a day. Avoid if pregnant or have kidney issues. Remedy 7. Sundew tea. Traditional lung soother for dry coughs. Steep 2-gram dried sundew in 1 cup boiling water for 10 mins. Drink up to 3 times a day. Few small changes can amplify your results. Run an air purifier. Keep your space dust-free. Wash your sheets often. Stay hydrated. And pineapple, onion, mint, even black pepper works well for allergy cough too. If your allergy cough doesn't go away or gets worse, it could be a sign of something way more serious, like asthma or even undiagnosed reflux.